This podcast is designed to help you review the locations of the major veins of the body. We'll make a statement on the region of the body or an organ of the body, and you need to determine what vein brings blood back from that region or back from the organ. Again, there may not be enough time between my statement and answer, so you may want to pause to give yourself some time to think of the correct response. Identify the vein that brings blood into the right atrium that is closest to the head. It is the superior vena cava. Identify the vein that is located in the knee region. It is the popliteal vein. Identify the two veins that branch together to form the superior vena cava. That would be the brachiocephalic veins. Identify the two veins that bring blood back from the head. It would be the external and the internal jugular veins. Name the blood vessel on the lateral portion of the lower leg that branches off the popliteal region. That would be the small saphenous vein. Identify the vein located below your clavicle, the subclavian vein. Identify the vein that brings blood back from the medial front portion of your lower leg. That would be the anterior tibial vein. Identify the vein located near your armpit, the axillary vein. What vein brings blood back from the lateral portion of your lower arm? That would be the radial vein. Identify the vein that brings blood back from the lateral portion of your lower leg, and this vein branches off the posterior tibial vein. It would be the fibular vein. Identify the vein that brings blood back from the intestines. It would be the mesenteric veins. And remember, there's both a superior and an inferior mesenteric vein. What vein brings blood back from the kidney to the heart? The renal vein. Which vein brings nutrients back from the small intestine and delivers it to the liver? The hepatic portal vein. Which vein brings blood back from the whole medial side of the leg and branches in to the femoral vein? It would be the great saphenous vein. Identify the vein that brings blood back from the medial portion of your lower arm. It is the ulnar vein. The femoral vein is going to branch back into what vein? It will branch into the external iliac vein. The external iliac vein will then branch into the common iliac vein. Both common iliac veins will branch into the inferior vena cava. Which vein brings blood back from the elbow region? The median cubital vein. Which vein is located in the upper arm? The brachial vein. Which vein brings blood back from the back medial portion of your lower leg? The posterior tibial vein. We have now reviewed all the major veins of the body. I would recommend that you go through the podcast again, and as you do, point to these regions of your body where the veins are located.